Senate President Franklin Drilon at Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago may magkaibang pananaw hinggil sa usapin ng command responsibility sa Fallen 44. Ang detalye mula kay Edwin Eusebio.
Magkasalungat ang pananaw ni Senate President Franklin Drilon at Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago hinggil ito sa issue ng command responsibility kasunod ng sinapit na pagkakapatay sa 44 na miyembro ng PNP Special Action Force sa Mamasapano, Maguindanao kamakailan. Nilinaw ni Senate President Franklin Drilon na hindi marapat na umabot kay Pangulong Noynoy Aquino ang responsibilidad sa malagim na sinapit ng PNP SAP na tinawag na Fallen 44.
I do not agree that President Aquino has incurred any liability on the principle of command responsibility in the International Criminal Court of Justice. Under the Rome Statute, a command responsibility would apply where the superior, knowing that his subordinates will commit a crime, fails to stop the commission of the crime or would cover up for them. In this particular case, the Special Action Force of the PNP was there to serve a warrant of arrest per the news reports, not to commit any crime. So the principle of command responsibility has no application to make President Aquino criminally liable under the Rome Statute.
Una rito, sa kanyang naunang pahayag, sinabi ni Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago na kung ibabatay sa International Criminal Court Rome Charter ang sinapit ng Fallen 44, may pananagutan niya ang military commander. Pinag-iisipan din ng Senadora kung may tuturing na internationalized conflict ang nangyari sa Mamasapano. Ito'y sakaling totooan niya ang ulat na may leader ng ibang bansa ang may alam sa nangyaring Mamasapano massacre.
Commander-in-Chief of the Military and Armed Forces of the Philippines may file a complaint in the ICC, and then it will have to go the ICC equivalent of a preliminary investigation, in that the prosecutor will first have to determine whether all the elements are necessary to sue him formally before the court. Kasi sa ngayon, hindi natin mabawali-wala na pagkatapos ng talumpati ng Pangulo sa telebisyon, maraming pang pagtatanong ang lumitaw. Sa halip na masagot sana lahat ng pagtatanong, mas marami pa ang lumitaw. It raised more questions than answers.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Edwin Eusebio.